Hello guys, this is Ivan here, and we are waiting to open a trade with my strategy number 4. This is my private strategy, and here at the open of the next candle we are going to trade. So let's wait. So this is my scalping strategy, which I am using every day. Every day I trade at least 5 to 10 times. You will get sorry guys, let's first of all open the trade. We'll try to make 10 pips. It is enough for such a scalping methods. This is 5 pips. Let's say here stop loss 5 or 6. So this is it. Just to remove this candle here, or this arrow here. So this is my private secret strategy. Very easy to learn. As I said, you will have minimum 5. I said minimum 5 trades or setups on each pair. So this is Australian dollar, American dollar, but you see here you can see 3 setups. Here you can see 2, or here 1, 2. So many possibilities on each pair. It is yours to recognize the good setup, and you can make with each trade a good profit. I am making, my limit is about $200 or 10 pips. I'm satisfied with this because I know that I will make minimum 5 trades this day, on not on one only pair, but I open maybe 5, 6, maximum 10 pairs, and I'm waiting for the best setups. So for now it doesn't go in our direction, but according to our rules we should wait. We must be patient to get this level. Usually it takes 3 to 5 candles, so even 20-25 minutes sometimes. So we'll see. For now guys, I will close, not close, I will pause the video, and I am back in, let's say, about 10 minutes to see about the result. Hello guys, we are back after maybe 45 minutes or so, but as I explained, the patience is the second very important part of trading. First part is, of course, strictly follow your rules of your strategy, and after you enter the trade, if you follow the rules strictly, be patient, even though sometimes, like here in the beginning, the trade doesn't maybe look as some winning trade, but as I said, if you believe, if you follow the strategy, then keep it. Don't sorry, don't jump out too early. Be patient. That's why you have stop loss here. If the trade was wrong, bad, the stop loss will close the trade, but I think that is always better to be patient, to wait. I will now put my stop loss here to 100 pips. So if by chance the trade return and go back, we'll make minimum $100. If it goes here, will make 200 and something. So let's wait a few minutes more. So this is my scalping strategy. Sometimes it finish maybe in, like here, in 2 candles. The 10 pips you will make maybe here, but sometimes you need to wait 5, 6, even more. But this strategy has accuracy about, I must say, about 90%. So 10 trades you will trade, you will open with this strategy, you have a great chance to win 9. And as longer you are using it, it is better. So maybe you will trade one day only one trade and you will lose it, and you say that it is not good. But if you trade 20 and lose 2, or if you trade 50 trades and you lose only maybe 5, that is your advantage. As many trades you will take, your chances are higher. So on long-term trading, you are always in advantage here. So it is my strategy, my private system. As I said, it's very easy to learn even if you just started to trade. You can use it for all time frames, all assets. So sorry. I'm using on M5 because I don't want to wait too much. I open usually 5, 6, maybe 10 maximum pairs with M5, and I'm taking minimum between 5 to 10 trades a day, and my average win trade is between 150 and 250. So imagine that I'm making about $1,000 per day, sometimes even more. So you see this trade is running to the take profit 200 and something. Let's continue here. Continue with explanation. If you buy this is 250, you will get complete training video with all details, rules, tips, live examples, live trades, so you can learn it fully. Then my advice is, as I said in many videos, go to your demo account and practice it. Minimum 2 weeks. Take at least 50, 60 trades to master it. When you master it, then you go to live, and then, guys, you will have a strategy. You will really trade as a pro. You will not need to buy signals, to buy indicators, anything. Expert advisors, you will have your knowledge. You will be independent, guys. It is better to invest 250 in your knowledge to learn than buying anything. Believe me. So you see that even with one trade, sometimes if we win this trade 214, I will even put it to, I don't know, to 150. So 100, that even with one trade you can return your money. So don't consider this as some costs. This is your investment in your knowledge, in your future. Guys, if you learn this strategy, you will trade as a pro. It will change your trading, but not only trading, but your private life. Believe me. You see, all this, what we had, is winning trades. On this pair only we had 4. Believe me that on all pairs you will have minimum 5 or so trades. So imagine how many how many you can trade per day. Sometimes 20, 30 trades, with open maybe 4 or 5 pairs. So guys, I think it would be all for today. I will only give you a chance if you want to pay with crypto, any crypto. Click buy now. You will see my payment methods and you will find this Bitcoin. So if you pay with any of crypto, including of course Bitcoin, only for Bitcoin you have 2 addresses already, you can use it. But if you want to pay with any other crypto, any other like Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, USDT, or I don't know, any, ask me for a wallet address, you will get it. And if you pay, only guys, if you pay with crypto, you will get 20% discount. So this price will be only 200 euros, not 250, but 200. So guys, what to say more? It would be all for today. It was my strategy number 4. Have a nice day. Bye bye.